Hey guys, this is Jeff, Swing Trade Warrior with WarriorTrading.com. I want to talk to you a little bit today about stock scanners or stock screeners and how we use them for trading and their importance. I get a lot of questions about this, so I thought I'd put together a video to try and answer some of the most common questions. When everybody starts out trading, everybody's in a hurry to find a broker, to find good trading strategies, and to get into the market with some real capital and try and make some money. Unfortunately, it's never just that easy. One of the biggest hurdles that new traders often face is being able to find good stocks with good setups. Now, everybody has their favorite stocks, whether you're an Apple fan or a Netflix fan or a GoPro fan. There's always the big names that people turn to first when they're looking for potential trade ideas. Just because you have a personal attachment to a stock doesn't always mean it's a good idea to be trading that stock. So as you progress in your trading career and you evolve as a trader, you're going to come to learn that there are a lot of trading opportunities that might be a lot more profitable with much better ability or capability to manage risk rather than just trading your favorite names. And with tens of thousands of equities being traded in our markets every day, it can become quite a challenge to find the stocks with the best setups for the strategies that you like to trade. Now, it's important to keep in mind that when you're building a scanner, whether you're building one from scratch or you're borrowing one from someone else, that you're going to have to adjust the settings to your personal parameters that fit your price ranges and that fit the kind of stocks you like to trade. Every scanner has a little bit of a personal flair to it, even though they can be seeking the same things. Seldom do people start off trading and get into some kind of scanner software and they look to start building their scanner and they find something that works for them right off the bat. Building a scanner is very much an evolutionary process, and it's not as simple as plugging in your criteria and then waiting for an alert to pop up and pulling up the chart and trading. It's never that simple. You have to constantly evolve your scanner with a core strategy in mind that you're going to use those alerts for. We have long strategies, we have short strategies, we have different strategies for volatility trading. There's strategies for reversals, there's strategies for breakouts. The list is infinite. There's as many scanners as there are strategies. So keep in mind when you're looking to build your scanner that it needs to be flexible enough to accommodate a variety of market conditions, but also at the same time focused enough so that it's the alerts are adhering to your core strategy. One of the things to keep in mind is that over time, market conditions will change. The market is very cyclical. Stocks are very cyclical. And for that reason, it's why we use technical analysis in trading, and we're able to base future movements off of historical data and information. And that's why we have charting, and that's why we have indicators. So the scanners that I use, that I want to talk about today, they're available for download on this page on our website. And the description, the link to the website page is in the description below. These scanners are also given away for free to all of our trading course students because we feel that if we're going to teach you the strategies that you need to be successful, you need to be able to find the stocks that are trading with conditions that fit that strategy. So not only do we teach you the strategies that we use to trade and to make money, but we also give you the tools that we use so that you can replicate that success for yourself. I do use two different scanner softwares. The first one I'll talk about is from Trade Ideas. It is a subscription-based software. You can find the link down below to TradeIdeas.com where you can check out their software. I've been using Trade Ideas for years now, and I use their scanners for day trading, for swing trading, and I have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sets of scanners designed to look for different stocks, meaning different criteria for different strategies that I use when I'm trading. Some are more profitable in some market conditions, while some are less profitable in others. It takes time to get to this point where you know what scanner is likely to produce the best results based off of the current market conditions. Don't worry too much about that right now. Start small, stay focused, and as you grow and evolve as a trader, you learn and master one strategy, then two, then three, so too shall your bag of tricks or your toolbox. The Trade Idea scanner is this one I have on the screen overlaid on top of the chart here. This is a multi-scan window from Trade Ideas, and it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different strategies, some of which are completely proprietary. Others I've borrowed pieces from other scans, and I've even taken some of the default scans in Trade Ideas, and I've been able to customize them in a way that suits my trading styles and my strategies. So a lot of scanners are going to look for the same basic information across the board. They're going to look for stocks moving with a minimum volume amount, stocks in a certain price range, stocks that are testing key resistance or support levels, stocks that are trading above or below moving averages, stocks that are certain average true range. They have a certain beta. There's a certain minimum amount of volatility and a maximum amount of volatility. Like I said, it doesn't really matter what filters you're looking for. It's just important to understand that there's good software out there that can help you narrow it down. And there's plenty of information out on the internet for all different kinds of strategies, and you can look at what the filter criteria are and kind of get an idea of what the scanner seeks to find in the form of alerts from equities traded. Now, again, we use scanners because of the tens of thousands of equities trading every day. It's impossible for us to flip through enough charts to find enough stocks meeting enough criteria in real time to be able to actively trade them. So this really is a huge time saver for us. It's efficient, even though you have to pay for the subscription to the software to use these scanners. The idea is it's going to save you so much time, and time is money, and it's going to put you onto stocks that are meeting criteria for strategies you can trade profitably, that you should make enough money off of the alerts and the scanners to be able to pay for the subscription and then some. New traders often tend to focus a lot on just jumping into trading right away. But on the flip side, there's a lot of traders who come to me before they've even learned a strategy and they just want scanners. Now that's, it's just as bad to focus solely on that without learning a strategy that goes into it, because my scanner, you can look at the alerts of the stocks on it, but if you don't know what you're looking at or what the scanner is looking for and how the strategy works, it's not going to make any sense to you when you're looking for your entry spot and you're trying to set up your risk management profile for a trade, and then when it comes time to execute the trade, it's going to be foreign to you. So these scanners that we make available are proprietary to Warrior Trading students. The Warrior Trading strategies that we use for swing, all our day trading scanners are proprietary to our day trades, and I will tell you right now that 95% of all of our day trades and all of our swing trades come off of these scanners, and we're able to trade profitably, as well as the majority of our community who's learned the strategies. So out of the scanner from Trade Ideas, I have 8 different strategies that has both long and short signals for stocks that are moving with a variety of different conditions. Okay, the other scanning tool that I use and have used relatively heavily with great success so far in 2015 is relatively new to me, and it is a TC2000 setup. I use TC2000 for these particular scans. You can see them over here on the left. There's a long scanner and a short scanner for small to mid-cap stocks. And the reason I use TC2000 and not Trade Ideas is because, like cars, some cars have other features that you're looking for that may not come with the current car that you're driving. So like anything in life, competition breeds variety, and that's exactly what you have here. TC2000 is much more open-ended as far as the filters that you can use, but it's more complicated to set up because you have to use a programming language to do so. Whereas Trade Ideas is kind of more out of the box. They have many options for filters, but it's not as flexible or customizable as TC2000 is. So Trade Ideas and TC2000, there's a lot of overlap. However, what one does well, a different one might not do so well. And so I use, for all my day trades and a lot of my swing trades, Trade Ideas, and then for just swing trading, small and mid caps. Because of the strategy that I use and the filters that I have on my scanners, I use TC2000. Now, I only subscribe to the Gold Edition. There's a Platinum one, I believe, that's the real-time data. I don't need real-time data because as a swing trader, when I'm setting up my swing trade watch list for the next day, I'm not scanning in real time. I wait till the market closes because it gives me the confirmation that I need to confirm the alerts that the scanner puts out, meaning did the stock close strong? Did it close weak after the alert? What happened to the stock at the end of the day? that can be very telling for potential future price action tomorrow. So as a swing trader, we're looking on a much longer time frame, and so we do our scans, I do my scans when the market's closed, just after it closes. I have two scanners, like I said, a long scanner and a short scanner. Again, these are both proprietary. They've been tweaked and personalized and customized to fit the strategy that I teach and the strategy that I trade. Again, these are also, the scanner settings are also included to all of our trading students, so that you're able to, again, have the tools you need to trade the strategies that we're going to teach you to be successful. There are only two scanners that I used with TC2000. I'm currently developing a couple more, but they're still in what you would call, I guess, beta testing, or the beta stage. So they're not ready for public release yet. But when I have them hammered out for these more volatile market conditions, they will be updated on the site or available on the site. That's pretty much the only two things, or the only two pieces of software that I use for finding all of my trades. I have two subscriptions that I pay for, and I'm able to cover the cost of those and my overhead many times over, because of the reliability of these alerts, and because the strategies that these alerts apply to, I know are profitable strategies. And even in choppy market conditions, using good risk management is always key to maintaining profitable and successful as a trader, especially long term. If you guys have any questions about anything in this video or these scanners, please don't hesitate to contact me, Jeff@warriortrading.com. My contact information is below. If you have any questions about any scanners you might be working on, I'm always happy to help other traders who are just starting out, or who want to build their own strategy, scanners for their own strategies. I'm always happy to give pointers and tips, things that I learned along the way. Remember, these are not set in stone. They can change at any given time depending on market conditions and depending on their performance over time. You know, you're able to back test a lot of these scanners. The technology allows you to back test a lot of the scanner results, and so when you start seeing the success rate fall off, it's time to go back in and tweak the scanners to customize them and adjust them so that they are more current and relevant and as accurate as you can possibly tune them to be. Just like a car, it needs maintenance, just like anything else. So again, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Other than that, I hope everybody has a good day.